Hello friends, today I'm going to review about an excellent watch. Here it is. It's an Orient Bambino automatic watch. Before I show you the watch, let me show you how it came in this box. So I ordered from their official website in India and it came in this beautiful box. This is how the box looks, and here they had some documentation like warranty information. So they have given this signature and all these things: warranty information, certificate of guarantee, and they provided this invoice, and this is the box where the watch came. Keeping these things aside, let me talk about the watch company. So you must have heard about this Orient watch company. It's based on Japan and it's an independent watch manufacturer. Orient is owned by Epson, the Epson company, which basically makes printers. And also it's important to note that Seiko Corporation is also a subsidiary of Epson. So Seiko and Orient are sister concerns. Okay, so this company, they make mostly automatic watches, and those are, you can say, affordable range of automatic watches. Not quite affordable from Indian point of view though, because their range starts from 16,000, which is not a very cheap price in India. Anyway, so this one is Orient Bambino automatic watch, and this is a very beautiful dress watch. Just look at this, how beautiful it looks. It's metal dial, I believe it's stainless steel with chrome finish, and the dial has a flashy sunburst blue color, hour, minute, second, and this is automatic, open heart. You can see the balance wheel and the mechanism inside. It's very beautiful to look at. The opposite side, it has glass where you can see the mechanism, and it is an in-house movement. They make their own movement, and the strap is calfskin leather, blue in color. And this has a hacking mechanism, like if you want to set the time, then the second hand stops. And also you can wind it up. It has a good 40 hours plus energy storage, and this is perfect as a dress watch. Now this watch cost me around 25,000 rupees, so which is not too costly but not too cheap as well. And it's a 40mm dial, perfect dress watch. Now let me wear it and show you how it looks on my wrist. So it looks quite good and definitely an eye catcher. Let me know how you feel about this watch. Thank you.